Hey there, today I have another double unboxing for Haverdash and Infinitely LOFT. And these are two clothing rental subscription services that I've been doing for about 6 months now, and I do really like them. So I'll put some information about how both services work down in the description box below, and I'll also put a card up above to my playlist of clothing rental subscription service unboxings. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so let's open Haverdash first. And here's what my box looks like inside. And there's always a prepaid mailer, USPS, to send all the items back when I'm done wearing them. And ooh, here's a peek at my bundle. Looks pretty good. Okay, so the first item in my box is this blouse. And this is by Lush. It's the sketch print surplice blouse, size small, and the retail price, it says, is $50, and it says the buyout price is $43.50. So yeah, $43.50 I were to buy this out, but I think with Haverdash, you know, their discounts aren't that great, so I'm pretty sure they don't really want you to buy their stuff. It's just like they're letting you buy it if you really love it. So yeah, I mean, this is a nice top, I think. Definitely could wear this with white pants or white jeans or black, I guess, and would look nice for work. Okay, next. Okay, I got this top, right, this way. And this is by Collective Concepts. It's a size small, and it's the dot print black top. And the retail price is $63. The buyout price, $59.50. Yeah, so not a great buyout price, but it is a cute top. I kind of like it. Has these flutter sleeves. It has kind of pleating in the front. Just a kind of nice basic, you know. So I'll be happy to wear this. Okay, and lastly, I got a pair of jeans. And these are by NYDJ, and they're the wide leg Ladera crop jeans, size 4. The retail price, it says, is $99, and the buyout price is $40.50. So actually that's a pretty good discount for Haverdash. But I don't know if you recognize these jeans, but I actually rented these before, and I really love them actually. So I decided to rent them again. So, I mean, this has been in circulation for probably 6 months or so, and then so that's why the buyout price is a little bit less, but that's still kind of high for buying heavily used jeans. Although I would say they look in fairly good condition. I'm not too sure though. Like, it looks like some parts are popping out, but yeah. But yeah, I like these jeans because I like the style. They're wide leg, yeah. Okay, so that's all I have from Haverdash. So let's see what I got from Loft. Okay, so here is my Loft box, and here's a peek at my bundle. Okay, and the first item, it's this top. It's kind of a tunic length. It has this kind of a strap in the back, but it is heavily pilled. I don't know if you can you see that? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. It probably isn't, I don't know. It's heavily pilled. But this is the back cutout tunic top in oatmeal melange, and I got it in a size small. I don't think they had petites. And the buyout price is only $8.50. So there's a reason it's so cheap. It's 80% off retail for $8.50, but it is extremely pilled. I don't know. I'll try it on and see how noticeable that is. Shucks. Okay, and next, what did I get? It's a maxi dress. Wow, I didn't realize I selected a maxi dress. So here it is. Looks huge. It's the petite tie neck maxi dress in deep smoke. So yeah, I got it in a size medium petite. One thing I've noticed right off the bat is it's not going to be bra friendly. I should have probably noticed that before. But it is kind of cute, flowy, comfortable looking. So we'll see how this works. And the buyout price on this one is $35.50, which represents 60% off. Okay, and lastly, I got this blouse. It's kind of cute. Okay, and this is the petite vine ruffle flounce blouse in black. I got it in size medium petite, and the buyout price is $11.50, which represents 80% off retail. Huh, this is actually a good deal. $11, yeah? But yeah, I think this is nice. Okay, so that was what I got this week from Haverdash, and also Infinitely LOFT. So I'll do the try on, and we'll see how everything looks. See which service was better this week. I'm kind of leaning towards Haverdash this week over Infinitely LOFT, even though LOFT is one of my favorite stores. I'm seriously disappointed with this pilled sweater. But we'll try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first top from Haverdash. And you know, I think this is actually a nice top. I mean, it's just very, I think it would be like very work appropriate somehow. And I just have it with some white jeans. And I am suffering from, something's wrong with my ankles. There's like a sharp pain, I think. So when I wear heels, so I'm gonna try to just wear flats and comfortable shoes for this try on. May not be as fashionable. But yeah, so comfort is important. So yeah, I think this is a very cute top, and I think it's just something that I could easily wear to work. I just have it. I have this camisole. I just bought it from Ann Taylor, the outlet, and I got in different colors, and I think that adds a little something because it has a little bit of lace, and I added the most blingy necklace I could find. But anyway, yeah, so I like this blouse. I'll definitely be wearing it this week, and not bad. Okay, so here's the second top from Haverdash. And yeah, it's just very basic. It's cute. I like it. It kind of reminds me of like something you could get from LOFT. And I think it's navy, but I have this black cami under. It probably doesn't match. I probably could have stayed with the white one. That's okay. And I like the flutter sleeves. I think that's cute. And it's kind of more of a tunic length. You could probably also do a tuck or a front tuck. And let's try it with the cardigan. Okay, so here it is with the cardigan. And this is just a very flowy, it's that waterfall style cardigan. And I got this from Stitch Fix kind of a while ago. But I think the colors kind of pick up on, there's a little bit of red in there. So yeah, I think this is cute, and I just stuck with the white jeans, but you could also wear probably just regular blue jeans, maybe some light wash jeans. I also stuck with the same tan flats because tan flats go with everything. And yeah, I think that looks cute and definitely a wearable outfit. Okay, and here's the last piece from Haverdash, which is those jeans that I had received before, and yeah, I think they look fine. They definitely don't look new. They're well loved. But I do like them. They're really comfortable. I might have to go with a belt, but definitely be wearing them. It was kind of tough because I couldn't wear heels, so I'm wearing these same shoes, surprisingly. I think they do match. I think they look okay. So in case you're looking for a good pair of versatile flat sandals, these are from the brand Soft, and I got them at the Nordstrom rack. So yeah, but you can also probably get them at the regular store. But yeah, and I have it paired with this Madewell top. I chose it because it's a little bit cropped, although not crazy cropped, right? so that it kind of proportionately, I think it works with these wide leg jeans. So yeah, I think that looks cute. So I'll probably be wearing these this week too. Okay, so here is the first item from Loft, which is that pilled sweater. And I styled it according to the picture because they had it with like a skirt that was kind of similar to this. But I don't think that looks good for me. I think it's because of I'm petite, so proportionately, I mean, it's a comfortable look, but I don't think it looks flattering. You know, I'm only 5'1", so I think when you're petite, wearing a tunic is a little hard. And I think ordinarily maybe if I were to wear, say, leggings or skinny jeans with some high heels, that might work better. But since I'm stuck with flats right now, I don't think I can do that. But anyway, I think this sweater it's okay. It's a little bit thin and definitely pilled. It's just crazy pilled. So there's no way I can wear this, I think. So I'm going to be sending this back without wearing it. And in the future, I don't think I'm going to put sweaters, you know, because I don't think they don't wear as well. But yeah, so that is the first item from Loft, kind of not good. Okay, so here's the second top from Loft, and this is actually really nice. Yeah, I like this one, and it has like a peplum bottom and kind of flowy sleeves. And yeah, I like the print, it's really nice. I just added a statement necklace, and I've actually had this statement necklace for like over 5 years, I think, maybe 6. And also I paired it with some dark wash denim, and these are from Liverpool, and I'm pretty sure I got them from Mix and Match. And also some flats. These are mules, so these are not as flat, but they're pretty flat, so I think they're flat enough. But yeah, I think wearing these kind of pointed mules kind of elongates the look, especially if I'm wearing dark denim. So even though I can't wear heels, if I wear pointy toe shoes, it makes me look taller, hopefully. Okay, so yeah, I like these. I like this top a lot, and I'm actually gonna think about buying it because it was, I think, $11 or something. So yeah, not bad. Okay, so here is the dress from Loft, and you know, it's better than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, and it is not bra friendly, so what I've tried to do is, oh, that ankle, camouflage the bra with a black camisole. And yeah, so since I couldn't wear heels, I just have the same mules, and I think that looks okay. It gives it a little bit of height, and this would not go with the denim jacket, actually, I don't think. So we'll try a different topper. It's kind of a thick, marled knit material. I mean, from far, it almost looks like it's sparkly, but it's not. It's just marled. So I think actually this looks like a dressy dress, but it feels like a casual dress. It feels like a sweatshirt. It looks like an evening gown. So let's try it with a black crop sweater, and this is one that I picked up from Amazon. And initially, I really liked it. I like this thick. It's a nice weight. The price was not bad. I think it was $20-something. And you look, it's something that can go over dresses, I think, and look nice. But I wore it a few times, and this happened. So I was thinking I'd contact the company, but honestly, I can just stitch it up. But it's disappointing because I did buy this. I really liked it. I bought, I think, a navy and an off-white one too. Those have been okay, but yeah. Anyway, I like the black one the best. It's the most versatile. But anyway, okay, so yes, back on track. I've been diverging a lot. But this dress is really nice, and not sure if I'll be wearing it, just because I don't think I'll wear it to work, because it is kind of a little unwieldy, yeah, this length. But if my husband wants to take me out to dinner or something, maybe. Okay, so overall, I think it was a very good week for Haverdash. I think of the items, it was a 3 for 3. So I'll be definitely wearing all of the items this week. And one thing I like about doing these clothing rental services is that it takes the guessing out of what I'm going to wear for the week, because I get a box of things, and well, 3 things, and I can just say, okay, this is what I'm gonna wear, and as long as I can figure out what items from my closet to coordinate with these items, you know, I think I end up having a good fashion week. Yeah, because some days, no. Okay, and as far as the loft items, the only thing I actually liked was this blouse. And I'll definitely be wearing this, and I'm actually thinking about purchasing it because it was such a good price. But we'll see. I mean, I do have a lot of tops. I don't know if I have one exactly like this, and this is extra pretty though. I've already bagged up the MAXI dress and the sweater, and I think what I'll do is I'll contact the company just to complain about the pilled sweater. And I've done that before, where I've actually gotten something that I didn't think was wearable and contacted them, and what has happened in the past is they'll offer you some sort of credit, and it's usually about $10. So I mean, you know, it's better than nothing. And I do think that, you know, it's kind of disappointing when you're spending $60 or $65 a month for Infinitely LOFT to rent clothes, and they send items that are not wearable, you know. So anyway, but I'll email them. So that's all I have for today's Infinitely LOFT and Haverdash unboxing. Let me know what you thought of the clothes. I mean, I've actually been enjoying both of these services, even though the LOFT items for this box weren't that good. I mean, typically I've been happy with the items that I've gotten. And also with Haverdash, surprisingly, I mean, I think in the beginning I wasn't that, you know, excited about it, but lately I've actually been finding more and more things that I really like. But now it's time to say goodbye, and I'm going to call one of my two furry companions to help me say goodbye. And poor Sammy, she is not feeling well. She's still not feeling well. You know, I did take her to the vet a few days ago because she seemed to have been, she was limping, but she still does seem to be limping, and she's just been kind of very, just not herself, you know. So I'm thinking I'll probably have to take her back and see. But anyway, let's see if she's up to saying goodbye. Sammy, you gonna help me say goodbye, girl? Okay, let's get a treat. Okay, now here we go. These are better than the other treat. These are like begging strips, and they seem to really like these. And I got a huge bag of these from Sam's Club. Oh, see? So she's okay. She responds to treats. Yeah, Sammy? And here's Kaya. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.